Matt Furlong with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're taking a look at a brand new 2021 Harris Solstice 230. This is a beautiful boat. We're going to have the blue and platinum silver exterior. Gorgeous color combination, black powder coated rails and bimini. Nice setup. Alright, as we move to the interior of this boat, we'll start back here at the stern of the boat. We've got this boat powered with a 150 Mercury engine. We have the ski tow bar in the back as well as the four-rung ladder in the back of the boat as well. So you've got nice setup for getting on and off the boat when you're pulling tubers and out planing for the day. As we move into the boat here, we've got a really nice setup with the center walk-through design, dual helm loungers. This is equipped with a change station, the in-floor storage. We've got a bow jump seat, Simrad digital dash, the full jail audio system in this, as well as having a wireless charging pad. This is a beautifully set up pontoon. Come on into MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota and check it out. Thank you.